Article 21060. Guest rooms, guest suites, dormitory units, and similar occupancies. A. General. Guest rooms or guest suites in hotels or motels, sleeping rooms in dormitory units, and similar occupancies shall have receptacle outlets installed in accordance with 210.52a and d. Guest rooms or guest suites provided with permanent provisions for cooking shall have receptacle outlets installed in accordance with all of the applicable rules in 210.52. B. Receptacle placement. The total number of receptacle outlets shall not be less than required in 210.52a. These receptacle outlets shall be permitted to be located conveniently for permanent furniture layout. At least 2 receptacle outlets shall be readily accessible. Where receptacles are installed behind the bed, the receptacle shall be located to prevent the bed from contacting any attachment plug that may be installed, or the receptacle shall be provided with a suitable guard.